Hi friends, welcome back to our channel I Study For You. Before we dive into today's topic, I want to remind you to hit that like button if you find this video is helpful. Your support really helps the channel to grow. Also, if you think this video can benefit others, please share it with your friends or anyone who might find it useful. And if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated with all my latest educational videos. Alright, let's get started with today's lesson. To improve efficiency and consistency, we have utilized AI generated voice for this video. We are committed to providing high quality content and welcome your thoughts on this approach.
1. What is meant by Swachh Bharat? Write its evolution. B. Explain how Swachh Bharat campaign can be integrated with educational institutions. 1. What is meant by Swachh Bharat? Write its evolution. Swachh Bharat Mission, SBM. Swachh Bharat Mission, also known as the Clean India Mission, is a nationwide campaign initiated by the Government of India to eliminate open defecation and improve solid waste management. Launched on October 2, 2014, by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, the mission aims to achieve a clean and hygienic India by October 2, 2019, marking the 150th birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi. Objectives of Swachh Bharat Mission. 1. Eliminate open defecation. Ensure that every household has access to a toilet. 2. Eradicate manual scavenging. End the practice of manual scavenging. 3. Manage municipal solid waste. Improve solid waste management practices. 4. Promote hygiene. Raise awareness about hygiene and sanitation practices. 5. Behavioral change. Encourage behavioral change regarding sanitation practices through information, education, and communication, IEC, campaigns. Evolution of Swachh Bharat Mission. 1. Pre-launch initiatives. Before the official launch of SBM, several sanitation programs like the Total Sanitation Campaign, TSC, and Nirmal Bharat Abhiyan, NBA, were implemented to address rural sanitation issues. 2. Launch and initial phase, 2014-2015. SBM was officially launched on October 2, 2014, with two submissions: Swachh Bharat Mission, Grameen, for rural areas, and Swachh Bharat Mission, Urban, for urban areas. Focus was on building individual household latrines, IHL, community toilets, and public toilets. 3. Mid-phase, 2016-2017. Emphasis shifted to achieving open defecation-free, ODF, status for villages, towns, and cities. Introduction of Swachh Survekshan, an annual cleanliness survey to rank cities and towns based on their sanitation and cleanliness levels. 4. Advance phase, 2018-2019. Intensified efforts to sustain ODF status and improve solid and liquid waste management. Continued IEC campaigns to promote hygiene and sanitation practices. 5. Post-2019 continuation. After achieving significant milestones by 2019, SBM entered its second phase focusing on ODF+, which includes sustaining ODF status and addressing waste management challenges. Efforts are ongoing to ensure comprehensive sanitation and cleanliness across India. 1. B. Explain how Swachh Bharat campaign can be integrated with educational institutions. Integrating the Swachh Bharat campaign with educational institutions is crucial for promoting cleanliness and hygiene from an early age. Here's how this integration can be achieved. 1. Curriculum integration. Incorporate topics on sanitation, hygiene, and waste management into school and college curriculums. Develop educational materials, textbooks, and interactive modules that emphasize the importance of cleanliness. 2. School and college infrastructure. Ensure that all educational institutions have adequate sanitation facilities, including clean toilets, hand washing stations, and waste disposal systems. Regular maintenance and cleanliness of these facilities should be a priority. 3. Swachh Bharat ambassadors. Appoint student ambassadors to lead cleanliness drives and promote hygiene practices within their schools and colleges. These ambassadors can organize events, workshops, and campaigns to raise awareness. 4. Behavioral change programs. Conduct regular workshops, seminars, and awareness campaigns on the importance of cleanliness and hygiene. Use creative methods like skits, plays, and art competitions to engage students and drive home the message. 5. Community involvement. Encourage educational institutions to adopt nearby areas and undertake cleanliness drives in collaboration with local communities. Organize community service programs where students participate in cleaning and maintaining public spaces. 6. Use of technology. Utilize digital platforms and social media to spread awareness about the Swachh Bharat campaign. Develop mobile apps and online courses focused on sanitation and hygiene education. 7. Monitoring and evaluation. Establish monitoring committees within institutions to regularly assess the cleanliness and hygiene standards. Use feedback mechanisms to continuously improve sanitation practices. 8. Government and Go partnerships. Collaborate with government bodies and non-governmental organizations to provide resources, training, and support for cleanliness initiatives in educational institutions. Leverage government schemes and programs to fund sanitation projects in schools and colleges. 9. Incentives and recognition. Introduce awards and recognition programs for schools, colleges, and students who actively participate in the Swachh Bharat campaign. Recognize the efforts of institutions that maintain high standards of cleanliness and hygiene. By integrating the Swachh Bharat campaign with educational institutions, we can instill a sense of responsibility and awareness about cleanliness and hygiene in students from a young age. This will not only contribute to the success of the mission but also foster a culture of cleanliness and sanitation across the country.